new building allows our kids such great opportunities for collaborative workspaces. The teachers can check on them, but they don't have to be standing right over them. And so allowing the kids from different classrooms to come together in those flex spaces that we now have is just a great opportunity and a different way to use our building that we never would have been able to use or have before. With every piece of furniture being new in this building, we were able to create blended learning spaces and incorporate all of the technology a little more readily as we made those purchases, thinking through the flex areas and what we were going to do with them. The kids, they'll say, I remember when the school was old before and now it's new, and their faces light up. They're excited. There's just something to be said about learning in a new, clean workspace. It's a place you want to be. I think everybody loves this new building. Thank you.